Hi, we are Team JIA0122 and this is the video demo to showcase our progress made during Sprint 2 of our project. I am Bing Yao. Let's go to the user stories. The first one said that, as a registered student user, I want to prove my student status before payment so I can get discounts for my membership fee. This functionality is built on top of Spring 1's profile page. We added a validation step so that if the user wants to verify his or her student identity, a valid student email should be given as an input. Otherwise, our system will refuse this request. Here, I want to prove my student status and I will input my personal Gmail account and click Save, and it will be refused and it will remind you that it is not a valid student email. So instead, if I give my GT email and click Save, it will be accepted and my profile is updated and be verified as a student. In the next user story, it stated that, as a registered user, I want to enter my credit or debit card number so I can pay the membership fee to become a member. In this step, we wrote the backend codes to process the transaction info and connected our application to a third-party Stripe to facilitate the management of the transactions. So here, if I want to pay for my membership, I will click the membership and then click subscribe. We will see a order summary. We also want to mention here that our client agrees with our minimalism UI design of the website, but also offers some color choices. So we adopted some colors in this payment page to replace the original one designed in Sprint 1. So if we input credit card number and click pay, we will see that a post request will actually be sent to our backend, and it will be further processed by Stripe, and we click Stripe dashboard and see that $2.5 has actually been paid successfully. Then Jun will talk about the rest of our sprint and the future works.
This is Jin. We will start from the third user story. The third user story is, as a general user, I want to pay for conferences, summer school, so I can attend those events. Back to our application, we can click the event button on the navigation bar to access all the upcoming events. Each event shown in the app has a title, a paragraph of description, a corresponding image, and a link to learn more about the event. For instance, this is a summer school hosted by SSA. And we click the Learn More button here to look at more detail about this event. When we find events that we are interested in, we check the select box for the corresponding event, and then click the Checkout button to pay for them through the Stripe API. The same process to pay for a membership. Right now, the event created are static, meaning that they are hard-coded at this point. However, in the next sprint, we will add functionality to the admin system so the administrator is able to create event and make announcement. It will make the event page update dynamically. Furthermore, we will create a mailing list within the admin system so the administrator can inform the member within the mailing list about the upcoming event. This concludes our video demo for Sprint 2.